a McCree, top left. Coming, I'm coming.
1.24 season 10, June 21st, 2018. Thursday.
Trying to heal you, Genji.
Gotta get out, we gotta get out. Oh, dude. I have Reaper now. Oh, lucky.
My ultimate is charged.
Almost have Val.
My EMP is charged.
I'm gonna pop it when they come in a point. If you have EMP, we can push in.
I don't have it.
Up.
Oh, can we dive the Widow?
My ultimate is
I'll
charged.
follow you, Diva.
On
Nice.
point. Kree on point by himself.
I'm on Mora? I'm on Ana, actually. Oh, I'm gonna die here. He's one.
He's one.
Reaper one. Kill this Ursa. You can go for Widow. Oh, she's dead.
fine.
Thank you. My ultimate is ready.
My blade is ready to be unleashed.
So let's hang out. Let's wait for the EMP.
We have
Back
it.
up a bit.
Walls till 45.
They just back up a bit. Oh, nice.
Okay.
That works. They know we're here, watch out.
Our walls are just over now.
EMP charged.
Alright, I'm ready to jump in.
Yep, ready?
Yeah,
Alright,
McCree, watch the
EMP.
flashbang.
Got four. Save us.
Oh, I flew into this.
Died.
Oh.
Feeling much better.
You fucked up. I thought I could have sworn you EMP'd the Reaper. So.
I know I got 4. I don't know. I got that.
Yeah, I thought you hit him. It looked like it hit him.
Let's go in barrier maybe?
We can go.
With you?
Alright, I'm probably gonna switch up.
Huge!
Oh, nice. Winnable.
Hora de empezar de nuevo. I might need this later.
I have Valk. I'm almost back.
It's just McCree.
It's just McCree, don't go
I'm here. I'm stalling. Nice.
Okay, our Valkyrie.
Being here all the time.
Dude, player of the game is gonna be us jumping into the Reaper as well, dude. They're pushing right. I need help here.
We might need the Valk.
Reaper's gonna kill me.
No takes. We gotta touch.
This Reaper, dude, I need help with him. He's one.
Reaper's in the back low. Reaper's low. He's low.
It's Ana. Dead.
More hack.
Sniper, ten cuidado.
That Reaper definitely has it. Just back up a bit. Oh no, that's rough.
Ahorita regreso.
Yeah, Reaper just got too much free shots on us.
Hey there, I got it.
Too many, Emmy.
Initiating. My EMP is almost charged. Sniper, don't get caught.
I have a Widow on me. Oh, thanks, Genji.
If you EMP that, I can shout at him.
My blade is ready to be unleashed.
Okay, I walk up for it. Maybe right now.
I
Save
died.
it. Okay.
Mucho mejor.
My bad, I wasn't there.
Let's regroup. Just reset. And walls until
Walls
105.
until 08, 08.
Gotcha. Got you. Gracias. ¿Qué onda?
All right, we gotta go on point here soon.
Tal.
Trying to get to you, Diva. I'm not Valp.
Hey, EMP this, please.
I'm not there.
Okay.
Feeling much better.
Okay, I can EMP now. You guys ready? It is.
This Reaper's gonna kill all of us.
Got five. Got 3.
Okay, we win.
We got 4.
Reaper behind. We got it, dude. We gotta handle
He
this.
still has
Reaper.
ult. He still has ult. They have a Resold and Reaper ult.
They also have noon. They probably have dragon too. They have a shit ton.
Got it.
Yo, if you EMP the Hanzo while he's casting, does it disable it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's kind of
Sonic.
you gotta have to get lucky to get that, but yeah.
Alright, Reaper's looking for a flank here. More one bar.
Killed her.
Nice kill. I have no shield.
Watch out that left side. I don't know if Reaper's still over there. I haven't seen him. Oh, Reaper's on the right.
Thank you. My ultimate is charged.
Good ult.
Reaper, near cart. Reaper near cart. Thank you.
We have 2 kills. They have 3 down right now.
Good
We
call.
have 5-1-3. We have numbers.
We're gonna win. Oh, I got slept. More half.
Wish
Yes,
people
sir.
peeled for me like that all the
No
time.
way we're gonna move.
They have a Rhine now.
Yeah, we have EMP.
I have 83.
We have EMP.
Valp?
Can you save your
There's one
EMP
on
till
Sombra,
it's Shatter?
There's one Sombra.
I have it.
Okay.
Oh no, I died.
I'm gonna get EMP anyway. We got 6.
Okay.
I got 6.
Yeah, our Genji will clean up.
We got 2.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good job. Oh no!
Yeah, see me fly in. Oh man, I'm so good at this game.
That was a really good Q press, man. It was 24 season 10. June 21st, 2018. Thursday, Love Vegas in transmission.